Good morning everyone. My name is Dev Kumar and I am going to explain motion of class 9. First states. There are two states, rest and motion. Second, physical quantity. Third, speed. Fourth, velocity. Average speed. Average velocity. Acceleration. Equation of motion. And speed for circular path. Now, what is rest? An object does not change position with respect to time is called rest, and an object changes its position with respect to time is called motion. Physical quantity. Those quantity which can be measured are called physical quantity. For example, length, mass, time, etc. Now, I am going to explain what is a speed and velocity. A speed. A speed is distance by time. What is distance? The total path covered. The total path covered from journey from A position to B position. Suppose a person goes from A position to B position like this. This is the total path. The total path covered is called distance, and displacement is the shortest distance. Displacement is the shortest distance covered is called displacement. Now, what is displacement by time? Displacement by time. Unit is distance per meter and time is second. Displacement is meter and time is second. This is meter per second is the unit of speed and velocity. What is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, where v is final velocity, u is initial velocity. Suppose a person goes from this position to this position. The initial velocity is 2 meter per second and final velocity is 4 meter per second. This covered in time t is equal to 10 seconds. Therefore, acceleration will be v minus u by t. Here v is 4 and u is 2 and time is 10 seconds. This implies 2 by 10, that means 0.2 meter per second square. Equation of motion. First equation, v is equal to u plus at. Here v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration and t is time. Second, s is distance or displacement. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration and t is time. Now third, v square minus u square equal to 2as. These are the equations of motion. This formula is applied when time is given. Time is given. And we apply this formula when time is not given. Time is not given. A speed for circular motion. A speed here is, we know, distance by time. Distance by time. And the distance in circular path is 2 pi r. Distance is 2 pi r. And where r is the radius and t is the time. Uniform motion. Here, when equal distance covered in equal time interval, this, suppose this is 5 meter, and this is 5 meter. Equal time interval covered in equal time interval. Equal distance covered in equal time interval is called uniform motion, and non-uniform motion is unequal distance in equal time interval. In equal time interval is called non-uniform motion.